What's up, everybody? Welcome back to my channel where we cook up some ridiculously delicious meals. And today's no different. We're tackling a food challenge that'll have you saying, wait, you can do that with baked beans? Get this. We're making 6 incredible dinner recipes using just 1 can of baked beans. Yeah, you heard me right. We're talking mind-blowing flavor explosions on a budget, because who doesn't love a good deal? Whether you're a seasoned chef or just starting out, these recipes are easy to follow and guaranteed to impress. So grab your aprons, crank up that stove, and let's get cooking. First up, we're spicing things up with baked bean tacos. That's right, you heard me. Drain and rinse 1 can of baked beans, about 15 ounces, and toss them in a pan with a tablespoon of olive oil. Now crank up the heat to medium and let those beans sizzle for about 5 minutes. While they're getting nice and hot, it's time to unleash the flavor. Sprinkle on a teaspoon each of chili powder, cumin, and paprika. Don't be afraid to adjust to your liking. Mix it all up and let it cook for another 3 minutes until it's nice and fragrant. Now the fun part. Grab your favorite tortillas. I'm using corn tortillas today, and warm them up. Pile on that delicious baked bean mixture, then go wild with your favorite toppings. I'm thinking shredded lettuce, diced tomatoes, a dollop of sour cream, and some fresh cilantro. Boom. You've got yourself a flavor fiesta that's easy on the wallet and big on taste. Next on the menu, we're warming up with a hearty bowl of baked bean chili. Don't worry, this isn't your average chili. We're using baked beans as the star of the show. Grab a large pot and heat a tablespoon of olive oil over medium heat. Dice up 1 onion and saute it until it's translucent and fragrant, about 5 minutes. Now, add in 1 pound of ground beef, or your favorite plant-based substitute, and cook until browned. Drain off any excess grease because we want this chili to be flavor-packed, not greasy. Dump in 1 can of diced tomatoes, 14.5 ounces, 1 can of kidney beans, 15 ounces, and of course our secret weapon, 1 can of baked beans, 15 ounces. Don't forget to drain and rinse those beans. Stir in a tablespoon of chili powder, a teaspoon each of cumin and paprika, and a pinch of cayenne pepper for an extra kick. Feel free to adjust the spices to your liking. Bring this beautiful mixture to a boil, then reduce the heat and let it simmer for at least 30 minutes, allowing all those flavors to meld together. Top with your favorite chili fixings, shredded cheese, sour cream, avocado, you name it. Get ready for some serious comfort food with this baked bean casserole. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 175 degrees Celsius. Grab a 9 by 13 inch baking dish and grease it up. In a large bowl, combine 1 can of baked beans, 15 ounces, 1 can of cream of mushroom soup, 10.75 ounces, and half a cup of milk. Stir everything together until it's smooth and creamy. Now, for that irresistible crunch, we're going to make a simple topping. In another bowl, combine 1 cup of crushed crackers, I like to use Ritz crackers, half a cup of melted butter, and a 1/4 cup of chopped onion. Mix it all up until it resembles coarse crumbs. Pour the baked bean mixture into the prepared baking dish and sprinkle that crunchy topping evenly over the top. Bake for 25 to 30 minutes or until the topping is golden brown and the casserole is heated through. This dish is pure comfort food heaven, perfect for a cozy night in. Chapter 4. Baked Bean Stuffed Peppers. A fun and flavorful twist. Let's get creative with baked bean stuffed peppers. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit or 190 degrees Celsius. Slice 4 bell peppers in half lengthwise and remove the seeds and membranes. Arrange the pepper halves in a baking dish, cut side up. In a large bowl, combine 1 can of drained and rinsed baked beans, which is about 15 ounces, half a cup of cooked quinoa, half a cup of salsa, and a 1/4 cup of chopped cilantro. Season with salt and pepper to taste. Mix everything together until well combined. Spoon the filling evenly into the pepper halves. Bake for 20 to 25 minutes or until the peppers are tender and the filling is heated through. For an extra cheesy touch, sprinkle some shredded cheddar cheese over the top during the last few minutes of baking. Chapter 5. Baked Bean Quesadillas, the ultimate quick and easy meal. Craving something cheesy and satisfying? Look no further than these baked bean quesadillas. Heat a large skillet over medium heat. Place 1 large flour tortilla in the skillet. Sprinkle half a cup of shredded cheddar cheese over half of the tortilla. Top with half a can of drained and rinsed baked beans, which is about 3/4 of a cup, and another sprinkle of cheese. Fold the tortilla in half and press down gently. Cook for 2 to 3 minutes per side, or until the tortilla is golden brown and the cheese is melted and gooey. Repeat with the remaining tortilla and filling. Slice into wedges and serve with your favorite dipping sauces. salsa, guacamole, sour cream, the possibilities are endless. Chapter 6, Baked Bean Shepherd's Pie, a budget-friendly twist on a classic. Last but not least, we're putting a fun twist on a classic with baked bean shepherd's pie. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit or 190 degrees Celsius. In a large skillet, heat a tablespoon of olive oil over medium heat. Add 1 diced onion and cook until softened, about 5 minutes. Crumble in 1 pound of ground beef or your favorite plant-based alternative and cook until browned. Drain any excess grease. Stir in 1 can of diced tomatoes, which is about 14.5 ounces, 1 can of corn, which is 15 ounces, and 1 can of drained and rinsed baked beans, which is also 15 ounces. Season with salt, pepper, and a teaspoon of Worcestershire sauce. Spread the mixture into a 9 by 13 inch baking dish. Top with a layer of mashed potatoes. You can use homemade or store-bought, about 2 cups. Bake for 20 to 25 minutes or until the mashed potatoes are golden brown and the filling is bubbly. This dish is the ultimate comfort food, perfect for a crowd-pleasing dinner. And there you have it, folks. 6 incredible dinner recipes using just 1 can of baked beans. Who knew this pantry staple could be so versatile? From tacos to chili to shepherd's pie, there's something here for everyone. These recipes are proof that you don't need a million ingredients or a huge budget to create delicious and satisfying meals. So next time you're feeling uninspired in the kitchen, remember the power of the humble baked bean. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it and subscribe to my channel for more awesome recipes. Until next time, happy cooking. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more delicious recipes.